Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Dr. Andrew Wheatley, or the Member of Parliament for St. Catherine, said the government convinced that Portmore deserve to be Jamaica's first new parish in a 155 years. Richard Creary, or the Mayor for Port Maria, said more police need for the inner St. Mary. One 18-month-old baby dead at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth after she get locked up in one car for 8 hours Monday. Phil Simmons, or the head coach for the West Indies, said the players them must take more responsibility for how them bat after the team lose 2-1 in the one-day series what there. Now for the full tour of them. Dr. Andrew Wheatley, or the Member of Parliament for St. Catherine, said the government convinced that Portmore deserve to be Jamaica's first new parish in a 155 years. Him said the last time Jamaica look over the parish them, I did in a May 1967 when the British did a rule out here through some change we did make under the Counties and Parish Act. On top of that, him said the size of Portmore make it fit for be one parish and it are one of the biggest community in the Caribbean. Richard Creary, or the Mayor for Port Maria, said more police need for the inner St. Mary. Mr. Creary said although St. Mary have lesser crime than other parish, more things needed for make the place peaceful. Him say if the government continue to put more police in a St. Mary, the parish might end up like a other parish where crime are going bad. On top of that, Mr. Creary said the main focus is to keep the peace in the parish and them need more police for do this. One 18-month-old baby dead at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth after she get locked up in one car for 8 hours Monday. The baby are the daughter for 2 police officers. According to some report, the police woman carry the baby go work Monday for her father carry her go daycare. But the baby get left in the car from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the policeman did a do him work. Them find the baby now move. One somebody dead and 17 people get hurt after one 2-vehicle accident go on the PJ Patterson Highway near the March Pen Bridge in St. Catherine. One car and one bus did involve in the crash. The driver for the car dead. According to Sergeant Donovan Barnes, who in charge of traffic for the St. Catherine North Police Division, the car did a reverse when the bus licked. The bus get her from the driver, run off of the road and end up turn over. 2 men get shot and killed Tuesday in a Montego Bay, St. James. According to the police report, around 9 a.m., 23-year-old Mohan Morris did sit down outside of one business place when one man walked up to him and shot him. In the other incident, around 7 p.m., people in a Iron Shore see 2 men bust some shot from one car before it crashed in one fence. People find 24-year-old Nakeem Erskine shot up on the steering wheel. People rushed him to hospital and doctor say him dead. Now for sports. Phil Simmons, or the head coach for the West Indies, said the players they must take more responsibility for how them bat after the team lose 2-1 in the one-day series. On top of that, Simmons said the way the team bat must get a serious look on this national and regional level. West Indies never scored 300 runs in the series, and the captain Kieran Pollard did accost the batsman them for how them play in the series. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.